Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the Akko 3084B Plus mechanical keyboard sent by the Akko official store on AliExpress. So thank you so much for this. It is a multi-mode keyboard and can connect with 5 devices. It can connect with 3 Bluetooth devices, another device using the 2.4 GHz dongle available in the box, and the USB-C cable available for charging in the box can also be used to make it a wired keyboard. So it comes with jelly purple switches. So in this video we're gonna be unboxing it. We will do the sound test, the typing test, we will do the Bluetooth connectivity test, that how fast can it switch between the devices. Before we start, if you're new here, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you turn out to enjoy the video. So without any further delay, let's get right into it and unbox it. So here is the box. Came in quite good condition. Also the price mentioned on the parcel was $10, so that it has no trouble while going through the customs. So let's open it. And first of all, we have foam here, then we have a cover to protect the keyboard. Let's get it out. Then we have the user manual to tell you about a lot of functionalities. Then there's another box, so let's see what's in it. I'm gonna place it at the back so you can get everything in frame. So first of all, we have the 2.4 GHz dongle. After that, we have some extra keycaps. Then we have the USB-C cable and the key puller. So here's everything in the box. Now let's check out the keyboard. So here is the first look on the keyboard. It looks quite good. Here we have the 84 keys. We have the function keys on it. Then we have the arrow keys. We have the page down, page up, and other function keys. So there's nothing on the left side, nothing on the right side of the keyboard, and there are 3 LED lights here, I guess. Then at the bottom we have the Akko logo, and on the top we have the USB-C port which can be used to charge it and use it as a wired keyboard. So let's see what's at the back. So on the back we have the silicone pads, and after that we have the on-off key here. Then we have the height adjustment. There are 2 levels available. So let's check out the switches and the keys. So is the sound of the purple switches. So here it is using the jelly purple switches, and it is using the PBT keycaps which are quite good in quality. I'm quite impressed and I think it is totally worth the money. The seller also included the jelly pink switches. I'm gonna be making a short video which will be available on my Instagram and YouTube shorts, in which we're gonna be customizing this keyboard. Let's perform a sound test now. So this Akko keyboard has 20 RGB modes, and each one of these keys has 4 modes in them. So you can use the function keys simultaneously with these keys to change the RGB modes. So after that, there are some functions in the arrow keys. You can use the arrow up and arrow down to change the brightness of the keys. Here you can see that it is decreasing the brightness, and the arrow up key will increase the brightness. And then you can change the animations to the right and to the left using the arrow right and arrow left keys. After that, you can use function plus minus to slower the animation, and the function and plus key can be used to increase the speed of the animation. You can also use a single color for the RGB modes. You can press and hold the function and backslash key for it. Now I'm gonna leave you alone with the keyboard to enjoy the 20 RGB modes in this Akko 3084B Plus keyboard. You can also use the user manual for all of the instructions. There are 5 connectivity modes: function plus E for Bluetooth 1, plus R for Bluetooth 2, function plus T for Bluetooth 3, function plus Y for 2.4 GHz dongle, and function plus U for wide mode. So before we start the typing test, I'm gonna connect it with all of the Bluetooth devices. I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth 1 with my MacBook, Bluetooth 2 with my iPhone 13 Pro, and Bluetooth 3 with my iPhone 7. So now let's start the typing tab. Manual comes with almost all of the information you need to get started. It mentions that it has a battery capacity of 1800 mAh. There are some hotkeys. You can use the function button plus the function keys to use those functions as mentioned on this page. Then we have a lot of shortcuts and commands which are available for Windows and also for macOS. And to customize the lighting effects, you need to download the Akko Cloud driver from the website. I'm gonna be leaving the link to download this Akko Cloud driver in the description box below. So guys, this was all from this awesome keyboard. It is surely worth the money. The keys are of great quality and I'm loving the sound of this keyboard. It has a good way to keep it solid on your table and I'm already loving it and I cannot wait to use it regular. So if you want to purchase it, the link is always given in the description box below and it is highly appreciated if you can use that link to buy this awesome keyboard. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also in my upcoming video, I'm gonna be customizing this keyboard with the yellow keycaps and the jelly pink switches. So if you're interested, then make sure to turn on the notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram for this. And let's hit 50 likes on this video. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace out.